and the time is like, it's crazy, but it's early in the morning. Currently 4:53, and I'm gonna go head down to the Foot Locker to line up for the Kobe 6s All-Stars. A white Kobe shoe with a black tick. It's so nice to design in person. Alright, just stepped outside, bro. I can already feel the humidity. The cameras are foggy because of the humidity. Alright, much better. They open at 9 AM, the Foot Locker, so I'm just gonna sit in front of the store for like a couple of hours. First of all, we were playing cards last night after dinner. We got a noise complaint because we were being too noisy. Is it really a holiday if you don't get a noise complaint realistically? Alright boys, quick change of plans as soon as I turn around the corner to go into the Foot Locker. Bro, already people with the camping chairs lining up, bro, and there were so many of them, so I thought, sack that, I'm going back to the room, I'm going back to bed, bro. What a start off to the day, boys, but it just shows how like committed these resellers are, bro. Including me, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I wanted to keep it for myself, they're looking sexy in those shoes. Alright boys, day 3 here in Brisbane, 9:17, and if you guys saw from earlier, I woke up at 4, went to the Foot Locker, went back to sleep because we had a big day yesterday, lots of walking. I did like 10,000 steps or something like that, which is crazy. And then just got a text message, bang. I won my first ever online raffle, boys, for Foot Locker, so alhamdulillah, I'm so excited. Like, I didn't have to wait in line for that long to secure myself a pair. Right now the boys are getting ready, we're gonna go have a bagel for breakfast. We're gonna suss that out, and then after that we're going to see some animals, so should be an exciting one today, boys. Yeah.
Hash brown and egg.
And cheese, I see them. What are you laughing at, bro? Alright boys, finally made it to O Bagel. So excited to be here. Shelby, shout out to you, my friend. I'm currently 10:06. Jasnil got the good morning, so it has hash brown, cheese, bacon and egg. Boys got 2 chicken runs, right? So just chicken and spinach. Yeah. And I got a naughty salmon or something like that. Yeah. We got 2 ice pastries and then 2 ice chocolates. Yeah. Because mine's salmon is cold.
Yeah, that's why I think they can give it enough.
Maybe. Not bad. Good. It's like a calcium chocolate milk, bro.
But it's like insidious.
Bro, I look, you took it all, bro.
Why?
I'm full sweaty.
Yeah.
I forgot to bring my Gatorade towel, bro. It's in the room.
It's alright, bro.
You wanna lick it off? Off camera, off camera.
Put your leg between mine.
It was like Ganesh.
Huh?
No, that's why.
Ganesh is my special agent name, bro. Dodgy business.
Alright boys, we're on the train. Ipswich is like the second last stop throughout like the whole line, so we're gonna be like here a good amount of time, so we're gonna just touch each other.
Yeah, we'll take a look afterwards.
Alright boys, after like an hour on the train and then 5-minute bus ride,
Yeah.
then 10-minute walk, we made it to the Ipswich Nature Centre. This place is the ghetto, bro, I'm telling you.
Fucking just cut the cameras, bro. Welcome to Jurassic.
Thank you, sir.
Stop, bro. That's not gonna be the only animal in this park, bro.
Animals.
No way that goes in the vlog.
Snakes?
Where are the baddies at? Where are the goth baddies? What a bloody dingo, mate.
Yeah, we don't have. Oh, we have.
The only snake in this park.
Oh no way, the snakes. There's snakes on the leg.
We'll just do like one big lap, bro.
Yeah,
We'll just take our
I
time.
think we have to do one bit anyway.
Oh, no way, bro.
Oh, okay.
No way.
Don't make me flash my dick.
What was that?
I'm sorry.
The wallaby.
All of you, right? How bloody good, mate. That is huge, bro. Where is it?
Come in the tree.
And then in the corner, bro, see?
In the corner, bro. We don't even know if it's live dead.
Oh, it's probably just sleeping, bro.
Chilling. That's disgusting.
That's the old skin they shed. Looks like some crispy pork crackling type shit.
That's wrong.
No, it isn't.
Huh?
You can't take a photo of this one.
Why?
Reflection.
Have like,
Down in the very corner.
oh, bro.
Straight up reflection.
We're on the wombat. It's literally right over there. What was that, bro?
What, bro? Nothing, bro. Oh, nothing, bro. I don't know what you're on about.
It's very interesting. Very interesting. This one over there. Oh, it moved its head. I'm so scared.
Oh, that one is real.
Wait, there's a duck right there, bro. It's chilling.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
It was sexy.
I didn't take a photo. So. Good chow.
You got a bloody cockatoo, mate. You got two of them.
Can't they swim? I mean, not so much.
Ooh. I'm so scared.
Yes, it is.
These are night creatures or something. Yeah.
Ready? Let's go.
Here we have got two beautiful bloody kangaroos.
What do we have here, sir?
We've got two kangaroos and an emu back there.
Yeah?
Like those two kangaroos, I'd like to think that they're rivals because they were bloody fighting. Alright, so they're probably looking to shag the same misso so that they can have their bagels. Right, the emu back there, he's a pretty chill guy, he's minding his own fucking business, he doesn't want anything to do with it. Right, my name's Nikhil, I'll shag him misso. Cut the camera, bro. Cut it, bro. Almost punched Viraj in the face.
For what, bro?
For what?
Too much energy in my body.
What they got? Hey, bro.
Let's go for a jog, bro. Oh, he's doing his daily 20k.
Then he donates that money to breast cancer research. Good on you, mate.
It's LeBron James.
I've got LeBron James, and then over here I got your mum. Tommy just Tommy, bro.
What a chunky.
No way, just like me. Just like me, bro. Right after that, Korean fried chicken last night. Alright boys, nap is all done. I've already showered, gotten ready for dinner tonight. Currently 6:48, and we decided that the boys were gonna go all you can eat Thai buffet. Super excited for that. I left my Thai curry and my Thai milk tea, so literally chilling in the other boys' room, sat on the couch. No, proper uncle, bro. So cute, bro.
And I'm so cold.
Nikhil, grab his ass.
What you doing, bro?
I see how you
Wow,
act in front of
bro.
the camera.
Wow,
No, you're a
bro.
different man in front of the cameras, bro. He abuses me when the camera's cut off, bro.
Yeah, right, mate. Right,
Yeah, mate. Like Shiloh.
Trailer laughing, mate.
Oh, fuck.
She took the bloody kids. Gang shit, gang shit. 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Feels dense, right? Yeah, no. Like it's easier. The more you eat, the harder it is to eat. I get it.
Alright boys, made it to the Thai buffet. Food is really yummy. Currently on round 2, so I got fried rice, pad thai, fried chicken wings, broccoli, beef curry, chicken curry, a bit of everything, bro. And I also got Thai milk tea.
So am I
If you
recording?
see this red light,
Yeah.
record? It's recording.
Okay. Why are you giving me the $50?
It did off with an R, right?
Alright.
Oh, it's in the cup, bro. Is that undisclosed?
Undisclosed, bro.
Somewhere like 1,000.
Alright. I love me a stud, bro. Shelby Moore.
You're my stud.
Shelby?
Oh, shit.
Alright.
Camera, bro.
Alright.
Alright. Alright.
Alright. Thai buffet is all done. Bro, I am so full. I'm gonna like walk slowly to our new destination. Gonna go hit up the photo booth real quick with the boys. Where the baddies at?
80 cheeseburger.
Sweet. Do it again. Do it again.
Oh, sorry. Ooh, it's 18. Tony Stark who? Have you guys watched Terrifier?
Terrifying. I haven't seen it.
He wears like these kind of glasses, bro.
Sunflowers.
Yeah. These are the fucking auntie glasses, bro.
Yeah, everyone get a color.
So just like.
Alright.
Final decision?
Wait, we're not going with the L?
No, bro. We got the Hello Kitty. That's fine.
Yeah, okay.
Alright. Happy boys?
Yes.
Original or just black, right? Plain black.
Plain black, yeah.
Ooh. White?
No, black one's clean.
Black? Alright.
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 Ah.
Bismillah. Good job, boys. Well done. Photogenic kings. Were you teasing me? Teasing me? We can play around, so 30 seconds, I reckon.
Then either Faraj or Nikhil. I think I should go last.
You want to go last?
I think so.
Like that. So, you want this one? You happy with that one? And then Roger put on left, and then Justin.
And there we go, yeah. That's it.
Nice little surprise, right?
Yeah, bro. Play with right.
Yo,
Crazy POVs. Sorry. Sorry, man. Sorry.
Then I'm gonna make you some, what is it, acorn? I'm getting big money.
That's good. From us today. Green camera. Alright boys, currently 8:58, they close in like 2 minutes. Bro, honestly, we took the best photos, bro. I had so much fun, I'm so happy with how they turned out. Thoughts, Bresky?
Can I do anything?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Sorry.
Oi, oi!
No, got the camera, bro! Quick question. Trip to Brisbane, one free.
One freaky. One sexual.
Shit. Somebody lock me kill us.
Serious?
Auntie, come get
Yeah, Roger's so scared, but he's wild. Bro, chill wild.